Welcome back.
What up?
We're at exhaust, trying to make this thing a little bit quieter again. Alright, got himself a muffler.
Big silencer.
Yeah, so we're just debating on where to put it. Whether to put it at the very end here and just put a tip on it, whether it will muffle the sound enough, or we put it across the back here where the resonator was, but then it sits very low unless we beat up the inside the boot, or put it up in underneath the car. We've got a few bits of pipes to work from.
Yeah, I've more in the shed and I've more in the box. And then I also, the main reason why we're doing this is because the exhaust touches the lower control arm. So we've got
some shiny new Skunk2 ones.
Skunk2 spherical bearing.
Nice.
Nice. Nice.
Because in here, there, that's yeah, I think you can see it.
They were in the Integra for years and now they're in this. Yeah. Time for change.
Loads of grinding and welding today.
Loads of cutting, grinding and welding.
We figured it out for the minute. We are going to put it here in the centre because we massaged the boot floor with the jack and a socket.
Put the bung out just in case we needed that.
Yeah, he popped the bung out first. First jacking point went to.
Yeah, straight into the bung.
But yeah, we massaged that up a little bit. Box sits in a lot nicer now in the middle because we are probably going to end up putting a flat floor in the back of it. You see, that's the line of spot welds that runs along the back of the chassis here. And if we just take that off and then flat floor back, that'll be absolutely sweet.
So we've got all the exhausts here.
Yeah, everything. We've even got the twin loop out. That's the reason why the boot floor will probably be cut out.
So I could even keep this as the actual back box.
You could.
And we just put this into this bit here.
That's exactly where it's going because they're
the marks.
rub marks.
Yeah. So that will go in there.
Here we have to start.
We'll start here, yeah, and work our way around. Easy.
Ha.
So now, do I do this one first to match the angle? Because it's not square. I'll do this one part of the way and then do this one and then finish it off. Just so
Well, if you do the two cuts square, whatever angle is on the end piece will be on it.
Oh, yeah, true. There we are now, getting there.
We figured it out.
We've got our worked out. We've got a bracket, well there, gonna be well there, weld onto the back box.
She's just tacked together for the minute now.
She'll join to there.
It's just gonna be hot now.
Yeah, something like that. That hanger, we'll bend it and get it to this hanger. The back box goes across there. It's just level with the brace. And then yeah, we'll work on getting it out the other side. Proper flying though.
We'll stitch all these welds up.
Hopefully it makes it a bit better for going to work in the mornings.
Yeah. I'd say it should. That should.
It should do. Yeah, that's filled with fiberglass and everything inside it, so it should knock a good bit out of it. Yeah, we're getting there.
It's gone in alright.
Yeah, fucking mint. I think I bought one.
Nice.
And rubber hangers now and all, not even welded to the body anymore.
Yeah, we used to have this hanger here welded to the box But she's on a rubber hanger back there now. And just look to put this bit on its rubber hanger. There we go. And then bolt that up there. Oh, isn't that lovely? Can't forget my gasket. That's the only patch of contact.
Can that be cleared with a Stanley knife or anything?
Yes, it can.
That's perfect.
Yes, it can.
It's our bath of a spanner for doing that. That's who I rounded that other one. I mean, no, that's not what happened.
Well, it's tight. That's what I said, it's barely touching it. Even a hacksaw blade would probably do it.
Yeah.
Just a blade on its own.
It's only just because.
Yeah. Yeah. I'd say drive it and should be straight.
That's actually cleared now until this pipe touches that bit.
Oh yeah.
Like it's not hitting the back of it at all anymore, it's that pipe hitting there.
Sweet, put it back in a rubber and send it. Right. And it's even a little further out than it used to be, isn't it?
Yeah, it's
actually past the bumper now.
Right.
So, lower control arm out, and now you can see there's the quantum suspension out now. Needs a little bit of a clean up.
Definitely need to clean up.
But yeah, you can see where it was rubbing through, rubbing the exhaust, and that's any of the videos that you've seen. That's the while Ray's sitting on the line waiting to go. That's where it was coming from. You can see a different mark from where it had been rubbing before.
That's when it was in the Integra, I used to touch it slightly.
That's right, yeah, with that other
with this
pipe.
Yeah.
That pipe over there, yeah. And then that's when it's been in the CRX, so.
It was rubbing a lot harder in the CRX.
Like, Jesus, that's gas. But, yeah, that's out. You gotta swap these around.
Yeah.
The little spacers, you gotta pop them out and put them in the other way.
These are set up for an EK wishbone or lower control arm. So that's why on these ones I'd cut the bush in the middle back. I had the room.
Yeah.
But you can change these around, and then it's for DC or EG.
Is that the right one? Yeah, that's the one. Oh, it doesn't even matter.
It doesn't really matter now.
No.
No, there's no extra right now. So that will go on like that once I take them two out. And then they fit an EG or a DC. And that way they fit an EK.
Yeah. Nice.
So now, how do I get these out without breaking any of this? No. That on there. And then that on there. And we got a rag. Right there. That one there. You got our socket.
One.
Two.
Go on, send it. And one side just squashed in, and out the other.
Sure, the side's got a bit of an angle.
One more, send it home.
Yep. And then when we tighten it into it, it'll lock it in. Uh-oh.
Did you ring it?
I think I did a little bit.
Yeah. Oh, well,
She's not happy.
Yeah, you're wrong the shit out of it. There's not a bit of a thread left on that.
Whoa, she's hot.
I'd say that alright. It's nearly welded itself on there.
Get off there quick.
Nice. Not a bit of a thread left on it.
Yeah. There's a bit of a thread. It'll be the same length.
Oh. We need longer bolts.
What do you think?
What are you doing?
Go on.
Quick trip to Bunnings.
Couple of bolts, few washers. Cheap trip.
Should work pretty well.
Yeah.
And don't even need the washer really.
Yeah.
Look, push it through again. Ah.
Yeah.
They do.
Yeah. Fucking dog. Lily shouting at him. Yeah, let's just with a touch. Oh, fuck it. Oh, there we go.
Nice.
Yeah,
Fast bolt. Oh, you gotta tighten up this one here with the bust off washer. Did you tighten that one fully?
Yeah, I got enough of a pull on that. Hi.
Done.
Mint.
Oh, sure does. You might as well start it now. See what she sounds like.
Only 2 injuries.
Yeah, to you.
To me.
Way quieter. Way quieter.
That's 10 times quieter.
Yeah.
That's like a different car.
Yeah, that's completely different. Yeah, I wonder what it's gonna sound like on the road now.
Yay!
Oh,
I can leave my house without being an asshole.
I don't know about that. It's a good job there's a fucking logo on either side of that t-shirt. The back one's nearly wiped off from running around the ground. That's meant. So, yeah, just put the wheels on her and then bring it for a spin, I suppose.
Successful day.
Yeah. And there is an update coming on the Soarer. It split its harmonic balancer. I've since got a balancer. I got the aircon delete bracket that I needed and the shorter belt. I've got my boost controller just about ready to go back in. And so much quieter.
Man, so different. Yeah, never at all.
Ah, well, I wouldn't go that far. Ah, that's mad.
Man, that's so nuts.
It's a good muffler.
Yeah. Fucking right it is.
So you weren't even able to have a conversation in this thing before, no matter what RPM you were on.
Didn't even frighten the bird away.
No.
That's like 4 miles. That's amazing.
I wouldn't have thought it would have muffled it that much.
Didn't think it was going to make that big a difference. He's got the crackle tune.
Oh yeah, as does everybody with a badge.
Oh man.
It's still good pulling, that's it.
Yeah, it's still pulling alright, yeah.
It's just that it doesn't have the
Yeah,
fucking deafening noise.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's hard to know.
Yeah.
I reckon it's more so the sound that's putting you off.
Yeah. Yeah. Like there's no restriction on it.
No. Still got savage pull there from 6.
Yeah. Oh, that's good. Happy.
Nice, success.
Happy.
So CRX is quiet. I think
Very
a
quiet.
lot of people will be happy. Not so much Ray, but a lot of other
Yeah.
people will be happy, like his neighbours and everybody on the line at the hill climb.
Yeah, I don't know if it's too quiet though.
I think that's meant for cruising around. You're a lot more
You can
under the
talk.
radar.
You can
Even
talk.
like,
Yeah,
windows
yeah.
are open and you
Yeah.
can still have a conversation.
And there's the hole in the floor and
Yeah.
back and you can still fucking hear.
Uh,
You can